Okay, get a quick tip how to clean up and change your thermal paste for your CPU. Now, the first thing you need to do, okay, maybe you observed your system is overheating and it's shutting down. As it's shutting down, what you need to do quickly is change the thermal paste on the CPU. So quickly, just do this. Get your thermal paste first. Then you have to get it clean like this. You could use a tissue paper, a roll of a tissue paper. So get a roll of tissue paper ready. Of course, this is how I have already removed this. This is clipped down, expand it and move it up like this and roll it down. Let it touch the back. That's when your CPU will come out. Check this dotted arrow. Look for a corresponding place here. That's how you will unseat your CPU. And when you follow this arrow, you had a clip, then the CPU is back there. If you want to remove it, pull this sideways a bit and then pull this up and remove it. Then you go to go. Okay. Good. As you have done that, get tissue, a little bit of roll of tissue. As you must have cleaned the other side, be very careful with everything so nothing break. Just be very, very careful. You can get a little bit of methylated spirit or CPU cleanser just to clean up the surface of your CPU cooler. This is a CPU cooler I'm using. I'm using a master cooler, so get more tissue, clean up very well. Just clean according to your discretion. Make sure you don't allow any remnant. Clean up very well. Now as you clean, that's it. Be careful when you see this one there. The next thing is to be very careful. Don't paste too much. Replacing heatsink, thermal paste heatsink, is not spreading many. You just need to put at the center. Don't paste it around. Don't paste it all around. Don't paste it on your heatsink. Don't paste it on your cooler rather. Don't paste it all around. Just paste a little at the center. Okay, this is new one, so I'm thinking of mixing this very well. So let me clean it a little. Because of this oil, the oil you see that first come out of this is a sign that it's a good one, original one. But I don't want the oil to be too much. I think the oil should not be too much, so that the main thermal paste. So I'm trying to do a little mix. Of this. Good. Drop your comment and let me have your questions or what do you think. Yes, move it closer so you can see. Yeah, you can bring the camera close a little so that you can see very well. Okay. Good. So it will not be too much. Then cover it up. Back. But that oil, the oil you see that first come out, somebody said is the sign that the thermal paste is original one. It's a good one. I wouldn't want the oil to be too much than the thermal paste itself. So whichever way, just get your job done. Just at the center will be good. Yeah. Every installer prefer it to be at the center. Let it be at the center. Then Sit the coolant back, let it hook here. You find another hook somewhere here. You find a hook towards your right, and then your left. Let the hook click there. Let the hook click here as well. Then let it sit. Then knot it down so it can go firm. Okay, the importance of thermal paste on your CPU is the interface between the coolant and then the metal seat head of your CPU. Okay, we are good to go now. Naturally, it will spread when the heat comes. When the CPU heat up, it will spread around. Okay, that's how to go. Then you can install your RAM back. Yes, so there you go. That's how to change the thermal paste of your system unit so that you not be overheating. You can go ahead and drop a comment and also share your own experience there. So share your experience. You can go ahead and share your thoughts on the video and try and subscribe and get more information. All right, see you.